Alright guys, we are here at the Fish Hatchery in Sisters, and I'm with Millie today, and we're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful day today guys. It's about 73 degrees, so it's been a while since we came here, and we are here. And I'm with the family today, with Jackie and my daughter, and of course Ray Ray. Hi! Look at those beautiful ponderosa trees. Isn't that beautiful tree? Look at those trees, Millie. Yeah, look at the trees. Okay, we're gonna go look at the fish. Let's go look at the tree, the fish. Look at some fishes. Let's go look at the fishes. Those are Douglas fir. Douglas fir tree. Beautiful. They're beautiful trees. Look at this one. Oh, look at those fish. My goodness. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? What do you think, Ray Ray?
Yes.
You like it? Not cool fishy? My goodness.
You like a fluffy fluff. Oh, look at that one. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we've been coming to this fish hatchery almost every year, guys. And this is the first place that I visited when first time I came here in Oregon. Excuse us. Look at those fish. That fishy. Oh, they're big. Yeah.
Billy. Oh my gosh.
What do you think, Ray Ray? You like it? Ooh, Grandma got some food. We got some more down here. What do you think, Ray Ray? You like it?
Yeah.
Got to see all the fishes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Incense cedar. Ooh.
Look at that. Grandpa, let's go look at that.
I know.
Let's go look.
You wanna come here? Oh, they didn't have food in here. They removed the food in here. Okay. Yeah, we'll go over here. They're big. Okay, let's throw the food in there. See, they're gonna get it. Ooh. Look at that big fish. Oh my goodness. Look at that big fishes. Look at that.
Really? You want to throw some? Oh, there's a bunch of them. There's some on the ground.
So they have a fish food in here where you can buy it for 25 cents. This is a very relaxing place, guys. Very quiet in here and very peaceful.
Ready?
You throw the food? Look. Look. Look at that. Wow. You can have that for 2-3 years. Also the baby one. Just like, Mama, what are you doing?
Okay, Grandpa, let's walk over there.
Okay.
Hi, Millie Billy. Hi, Millie Billy. Should have brought some. I don't know. Because it said no angling. What, we gotta go over there so we can see one. You see him?
Alright, we are sitting here in the log, guys. We're just resting. It's a little bit warm today. What do you think, Millie? You like it? Like the fishy? Oh, there's Ray Ray.
Where's Fishy?
They're not here right now. There's one over there.
We should have lilac bushes around here.
They should.
Yeah,
Will attract a lot of butterflies too.
they would. You first. Don't you say
Hey, Millie! Are you having a good lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Millie is sitting on the picnic basket. The picnic basket is very old. It's Jackie's, used to be Jackie's long time ago, and Karina used to sit on that when she was a baby, and she was pretending she's in a boat. Yep. Alright guys, we're having a picnic right now, so see you guys later. Bye. a small town of sisters, guys, and there's a lot of really neat store in here, antique store, a very nice place, and a place to get to ice cream and stuff like that. So we're here to get ice cream for Ray Ray because she wants an ice cream. You like your ice cream? Is that good? As you can see, guys, we are just going for a walk, checking all the stores here in Sisters, Oregon. It was just a beautiful day and we're having a great time. It's just awesome day. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys later. Have a good day.